Realme launched the Neo 7 last week, and today, the company held the first flash sale of the smartphone. Demand was so high that the first 5 minutes saw more purchases than the whole first-day sale of the predecessor Realme GT Neo 6. The Realme Neo 7 has a Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset and a powerful 7,000 mAh battery. Its starting price is 2,199 Chinese yuan, or about $300. The Neo 7 features a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED panel with 120Hz variable refresh rate, and Realme claims the panel can reach 6,000 nits peak brightness. Camera-wise, it sports a 50MP Sony IMX882 main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide shooter. The predecessor GT Neo 6 launched internationally as Realme GT 6. We have to wait and see whether the company will also bring Neo 7 to the global stage.